puppies are 4 weeks old today, and they just had their faces shaved. So I hope you can get an idea of how that's looking. Hi, Amelia. The blue boy. That's the pink girl. Oh, sorry, that was the silver boy. There's the red boy. Let's get his face up here. Look how pretty. Look how pretty you are. There's the pink girl. The purple boy. Oh, goodness. You wanted to come in here? She's a rascal. There's the green boy. And the yellow girl. Oh, you're coming in, aren't you? Okay. Now let's see your face. I want to see your face. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I need the blue boy over here. Come here, baby. Wake up. Wake up. For a little while. Amelia, do we feed him? Oh. I'm going to put you back in there. Well, I think you got an idea of their faces. They're pretty cute. Come on, you're missing out. Hurry up. Hurry up. Come on.